Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll explain how to create Zeely Ads Optimized for mobile. To create mobile optimized ads in Zeely, simply follow the standard ad creation flow. Zeely's AI automation automatically designed with mobile user in mind. It uses vertical or square layouts with large font and eye-catching visual that looks great on small screen. When uploading image or video, use high resolution vertical format like 16 or 9:16 so they will fill the phone's screen without cropping. Make sure your headlines are short and punchy, and keep all your call to actions clear like shop now or swipe for deals. Zeely also preview your ads on mobile during setup so you can fine-tune layout and test if needed. Once launched, Zeely's AI monitors performance and adjusts delivery to prioritize the mobile-friendly placement like Instagram stories or Facebook feed. So mobile optimization in Zeely happen by default, but you get better results by using a vertical visual short message and reviewing the mobile preview before publishing.